Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro Shop Parts Department here. Today I'm going to do a bit of a focus on the turbo boost hoses and air intake hoses. So if you want to just zoom in here, these here are the original hose set. So let me see if I can get this right. So this one goes from your air box to the, actually goes that way, to the resonator here, which is above your HT leads. Then this one comes from that to the turbocharger. And then these two form the piece that goes from the turbocharger across the top of the inlet manifold. Now, these originally, and these are the original hoses off a car here, are made of rubber. They're like a single ply rubber. You can just see the reinforcement inside there. Now, just due to age and the way that the engine moves, and the amount of heat and oil these have had to go through, you'll find, look, if you can zoom in, this is what happens to them. So they start cracking, you get cracks through here, especially on this one here, you get like horrible cracking, look, all through there. And this one's got this section here because this bit's fixed and this will move with the engine. Now, what will happen is, because the Figaro runs an airflow meter, if we have any air going into the engine after the airflow meter, the car get really upset. So you'll get symptoms like misfiring, sluggishness, it won't rev over 2000 RPM, and you know, everyone fears the worst. But it might be as simple as a change of hoses. Now, we have now developed the hoses in silicone as an upgrade. So if I just move these out the way. So these here are our silicone upgrades, and very much like our coolant hose kit, it's made up of multiple ply here of silicone, so these will probably outlast the car. To show you which bit's which, so these two pieces are the bits that go across the top. This is the turbo hose that goes from the resonator to the turbo, and then this one here mimics this one here, which is the one that goes from the air box to the resonator. They come complete with a brand new set of zinc plated clips. Super simple to fit. This is something you can DIY yourself at home. No special tools needed. Literally, you can use a 10mm or a Phillips screwdriver to undo the original clips, and then you can use your flat blade screwdriver to do these ones back up again. A really good insurance policy to ensure that air entering the engine is perfectly regulated. And like I said, these things will outlast the car. They're absolutely fantastic. They're available on our website at www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk. Pop in there, go to the parts section and just type in turbo hose and you'll see the kit come up. Thank you very much.